Finally back out in the yak. Went up north to the cottage for a couple of days with the fam. You know, I haven't been fishing for like 5 days, so we're gonna come out here and see what we can run into. Came back to this small little lake in Pontiac. Been coming here the past couple weekends. Seeing it been producing pretty good. I'm gonna hit this small lake up, and it's connected to a little bit of a bigger lake. So you can run into them. That's pretty cool. Alright, that dude sharked that frog. Trying breaking up on something over there earlier. I was hoping to be a lot bigger. Still a cool catch. Well, that's a perfect hook set if I've ever seen one. Oh wow, this might be a big one actually. Holy crap, that is a big one. Oh, big one. Whew. Big one. Good fish. God, I needed that one. All right. All right, we're gonna head to the new lake now. Just gotta go through the jungle a little bit. Hopefully it's worth it. on the big worm. Feels pretty good. Oh, that's a pretty good one. Absolutely. Yeah, that's a big fish. And that's why we throw the big worm. That is a nice fish. That is a good fish. Oh, let's go. Beautiful fish. On the big worm. Second big one of the day. Oh man. Never get sick of it. You go, big girl. There's a fish on it right now. And you hit it on the fall. This bait will catch smaller fish too. Don't get sketched out by the size of the bait. Like I said, it'll catch big fish, but it'll also catch smaller fish too, so just keep that in mind. And the Nico rig right by this floating dock. Change the pace. Little guy. On the Nico rig. Slowing up. And I'm getting pretty hungry, so I might have to make a decision here. Oh, not bad. Not bad. That's insane. That's kind of crazy. You were too easy, buddy. It was just too easy. And a drop shot. Ooh, god dang. Oh no! Dang, that was big.